All right, fourth grade, so time for your first activity of lesson 2. How many rectangles? On the next slide is grid paper. You will see 2 numbers by each student's name. Those are your assigned areas. Now mine doesn't have a student's name just because this is a practice and I'm showing you how to do this. You are going to draw all possible rectangles for those 2 areas. You don't need to repeat side lengths. So if you draw a 6x4, you don't need to draw a 4x6. And you are going to use text boxes to label side lengths and area. So I have an area of 21 and an area of 36. So I'm going to go to my next page. Okay, and remember we've done this before. So I'm going to insert shapes to build rectangles. Now remember my first area is 21. So I'm going to think of all the ways to make 21. Well, start with your 1 and your number. So I'm going to go to insert, shape. Okay, I'm going to make it 1, let's see, 1 down, and we'll make it 21 across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm pretty sure that's 21 across. Okay. And then remember how to do this. So I'm going to go back and insert text box because now I need to put my side lengths. So this one is 21. Let's get that up a little closer. Oh, text box. This side is 1. And then inside, I'm going to put my area. So the area is 21. Now, let's scoot that up a little bit. Remember, I need to find all of them, not just one. So now I'm going to think of another way to make 21. 3 and 7. So I'm going to insert, shape, and I want a 3 by 7. Try to make these kind of close just so you don't run out of room. So I'm going to go over 3, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me straighten him up because he's a little wonky. And then I'm going to make sure that I have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need to go down 1 more for my 7. And always double check. And then again, I'm going to go to insert, text box. So I know my area is 21. Insert, text box. This side length is 3. Insert, text box, this side length is 7. Okay, and I'm going to do this for any more factors of 21, factor pairs, okay? And then I'm going to do my other number. So then I'm going to do 36. So that's why it's kind of important to make sure that you are putting them kind of close together so you don't run out of room. Okay?